Hello, good evening. I am V. Krishna from Mechanical Second Year, studying in SRIT. Today we're going to discuss continuous casting applications, advantages and limitations. Uh, they are very useful because casting is a vital or important in manufacturing, because casting is a easy. I mean, not easy, but if we okay, let us see the introduction to continuous casting. Continuous casting is a process used in metallurgy for the production of metals. Like every production, we use continuous casting to produce metals, because we pour a molten metal, that means which is in solidified state, or liquid metal to solidify. Unlike every manufacturing process, this plays a vital role in producing or production of metals. This technique is widely adopted in industries due to its efficiency and cost effectiveness. It's got a great efficiency to produce a manufacturing or produce steels. If we check about historical background, continuous casting was first developed in the 1950s as a response to the need for more efficient steel production. The process has evolved significantly over the decades, incorporating advanced technology. It has become the dominant method for casting metals in modern manufacturing. Let us have a look at the continuous casting process. If we have a look at the diagram of the continuous casting process, at the above, which is containing a bucket kind of bucket having molten metal, a ladle which is open, it will be slowly progressing into that uh, semi kind of bucket, okay, which is again pouring into the a penstock like a tube, which is mold liquid pool, where it will be cooled, a brand and a solidifying shell. At finally process the what we call the liquid molten metal converts into a metal. It's a continuous casting process, unlike other different process. The process starts with melting of raw materials to create a molten metal. The molten metal is poured into a water cooled mold, you know, into a continuous shape. Finally, the solidified metal is cut into desired lengths. As we can see here, they cut it into metal into desired length for further processing. Okay, let us see the applications in steel production. Continuous casting is primarily used in the production of steel slabs and billets. It allows the efficient manufacturing of high quality steel products for construction. Various industries, including automotives and constructions, rely on this process for their steel needs. Applications in non-ferrous metals. Continuous casting is also used for non-ferrous metals such as aluminium and copper. This method helps produce wire rods, sheets, and other shapes with minimal waste. Non-ferrous continuous casting supports various applications in electronics and aerospace. Applications in specialty alloys. You know what does mean specialty alloys? Specialty alloys are often produced through continuous casting to meet specific industry requirements. So this includes high performance material used in aerospace, automotive, military applications. The precision of continuous casting allows for unique compositions and properties. Advantages of continuous casting, as it's why we are using continuous casting is because it has a lot of advantages. Let us have a look at advantages. Continuous casting significantly reduces production time compared to traditional casting methods. We have a lot of casting methods, but continuous casting is a time saving process. It minimizes material waste, leading to more sustainable manufacturing practices. The process produces a uniform microstructure, enhancing mechanical properties of the metal. Cost effectiveness. Continuous casting is a more cost effective method due to its throughput. I mean, in which the way we evolve through the continuous casting is cost saving method. The reduction in labor cost is also significant. It's a very important role because in lot of manufacturing processes we got labors, but in cost effectiveness, the cost giving to the labor is significant, because we know we are benefiting of automating the costing process because it automates. Lower energy consumption during production contributes to overall cost savings. Improved quality control. Continuous casting allows for better control over the metal's composition and properties. Real-time monitoring helps in detecting defects, early in the process. Consistent quality results in fewer reworks. In every industry, we got to work with reworks, but by doing continuous casting, we can reduce that reworks and rejects, enhancing overall efficiency. Limitations. Limitations of continuous casting is requires a significant initial investment. Yeah, as we got a lot of advantages in continuous casting, but we got a limitation because the initial investment is significantly more, not more, but when we compare to other process, it's more, and its technology also requires a highly cost investment. The process is limited to certain shapes and size, restricting versatility. It may not be suitable for all types of alloys or materials due to specific casting requirements. Technical challenges, if you see the technical challenges, managing cooling rates. uh, as we know, all the process is about cooling a liquid form of metal. We got a very critical situation in cooling that liquid solidified metal. The process may require complex control systems to maintain quality consistency. Regular maintenance of the casting machine is essential to prevent downtime. Environmental considerations. Continuous casting is generally more environmentally friendly than traditional methods. However, it still produces waste and emissions that need to be managed. The industry is continuously looking for ways to further reduce its environmental effect or impact. Future trends in continuous casting. Innovations in technology are leading to more efficient continuous casting processes. The integration of AI and machine learning can enhance quality control and efficiency. Future developments may focus on reducing energy consumption and waste materials further. Let's have a conclusion on this continuous casting. Continuous casting is a revolutionary method in metal production industry. Of course, it is revolutionary as we have a lot of advantages, and it's a very good manufacturing process. Its application across various metal highlights its versatility and efficiency. Understanding its advantages and limitations is crucial for industries looking to production. Uh, I thank everyone, especially my course coordinator or faculty who teach me this subject, Dr. D. Sai Chaitanya Kishore sir. Uh, Thank you very much for giving this opportunity as we, or I, where I produced this continuous casting through PPT. Thank you so much, sir.